Hello my little ones. I am back again. Have you completed the worksheet which I gave you yesterday? Now I am going to give you the solution of the worksheets. Now in this worksheet you have to read the sentence and match it with the appropriate picture. Read the first sentence. A CAT cat, ON on, a MAT mat, a cat on a mat. So match it with the cat on a mat. Very good. Next one is AN, EGG egg, IN in, a PAN pan. So match it with an egg with a pan. Third one is a HUT hut, and a HEN hen. So match with hut and a hen. Fourth one, a DOG dog, IN in, a TUB tub. So match with dog in a tub. Last one, a RAT rat, ON on, a LOG log. So match the rat which is on the log. Good. Now you can check your worksheet. In this worksheet, you have to see the picture first. What is there? A bag and a net. Now read the sentence and you have to put the tick on the correct one. First one is a PEN pen, IN in, a BAG bag. Next is a BAG bag, AND and, a NET net. So first one is right or second one? Second one. Put a tick on it. Very good. Next, see the picture. You can see one hen and one hut is there. So where is the hen? In a hut. Read the sentence. A HEN hen, IN in, a HUT hut. Next one, a PIN pin, ON on, a bin. So which one is right? First one, a hen in a hut. Last one, what is there? Apple. And what is there? Box. Where is the apple? On the box. So read the sentence. A FAN fan, AND and, a PAN pan. Next, ANN, APPLE apple, ON on, a BOX box. So which one is right? Second one. Very good. So you can check your answers. Children, along with playing, you need to spare some time on studies also. So keep on practicing. Till then, bye.